Hi everyone, Thao here. I was just about to go for a walk, but it's kind of gloomy and rainy outside, so change of plans. I'm staying in and doing some gaming. But before I do that, I did receive some custom skins from Skinit, and this seems like the perfect time to install them. If you haven't heard of Skinit before, they offer premium phone cases and skins for phones, laptop, tablets, gaming consoles, and other popular devices. There are a lot of pre-made designs, and I mean a lot, from the NFL, NBA, DC Comics, Marvel, and Disney to choose from. What makes Skinit different though is that you can design your own custom skin or case. So let's say you want a picture of your dog or even maybe your own personal logo. You can do that. They sent me a carbon fiber skin for my Nintendo Switch. They've also included a white speckle skin along with one of their marble design pro cases for my Galaxy S10 Plus. Thank you Skinit so much for the love. Now the one for my phone looks fairly simple, but there are a lot of pieces to the Nintendo Switch. That should be fun. But listen, if I can do it, you can do it. I just finished installing the skin on my S10 Plus. It was pretty easy. Mind you, if you make a mistake, you can simply peel off the skin and readjust it. I was a little skeptical at first about the design, but after applying it on, I actually like it. It looks good and it has a smooth texture, but it's not slippery. I think this would have looked better for those of you who have the prism white color, as the blue does peek through near the bottom around the camera cutout and obviously the frame. Overall, it's cool. I like it. Moving on to the Pro case, I got this in the white marble design. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. So the case snaps on and off with ease. It comes with a shock absorbing dual layer design with a harder outer shell and TPU lined on the inside. The back is scratch resistant, so it should stay looking good from daily wear and tear. You got clean cutouts for your ports and cameras, which are fully protected since they sit below the back of the case. Now on the front, you have a good amount of lip at the top and bottom, so your screen is protected when face down. If you know me, you know I love clicky buttons, and these aren't the clickiest I've tested. They're actually a little stiff, but they all function properly. Finally, power share and wireless charging both work perfectly. So yeah, this is the Pro case. It's well built with some decent protection. There are a lot of pre-made designs that you can choose from, but if none of them suit your taste, know that you can create your own. Next up, the Nintendo Switch. Wish me luck. Okay, I just started, but I'm getting super excited because so far it's looking really good. I just finished putting everything on. It definitely requires some patience, but I surprisingly had a lot of fun. Maybe more fun than a grown adult should have with stickers. Anyways, I'll slap on some B-roll on the screen so you guys can get a close-up of what everything looks like. I love how everything turned out. It looks amazing. This is actually my first experience with skins. It's a great way to add some personality and protection to your devices. There you have it, a quick glimpse of what Skinit is offering. In case you guys are interested, I'll have everything linked down below, including a discount code. Anyways, time to go and make myself some tea and spend the next couple of hours playing with my newly skinned Nintendo Switch. By the way, are any of you playing Final Fantasy VII? I haven't beaten it yet. Maybe I'll do it now that it's on the Switch and more portable. As usual, thank you so much for watching. Until the next one, peace. Bye!